Hello friends, welcome back. Today we want to create a block element, Bootstrap Button. Normally our button element with the button and button default classes are only as wide as the text that they contain. So in this example, the submit button is just submit. If it were submit this form to the proper authorities or something, then the button would be longer. But sometimes you don't want the buttons to be of variable sizes. You want them to be of consistent sizes or block sizes. So by making block elements with additional class of button block, your button will stretch to fill your page's entire horizontal surface. Any elements following it will flow onto a new line below the block. So if we have this is a button with the class button block added to it, whereas this one just has button and button default. Here, when we have button block, the button would take up 100% of the available width. Note that these buttons still need the button class. Add Bootstrap's button block class to your Bootstrap button. Okay, so our Bootstrap button is this one. It says like. It's right under the large cat. So we've got this guy right here. You can see if I put an exclamation point, you can see that I'm adjusting this button right here. And so we've got button default. We want to add in here button block. And then this fills the page. And yeah, that's what I think they want us to do. So pretty straightforward one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.